guys, Shelby here, your Scentsy lady. And guess what time it is? It is our warmer of the month reveal. I'm a little late this month because honestly, I got my warmer late and so Valentine's Day just passed and now I'm excited to be able to put this one out. This Irish girl, my Irish roots, I am excited to decorate for St. Patty's Day. So we got our Lucky Leprechaun warmer. This is the first time in a long time that we have had a St. Patrick's Day warmer. So I'm really excited for this. I feel like this is going to be a really big hit. And these are my favorite type of warmers, you guys. When I can literally just pull them out and slip off the packaging. I love those. They are the best. Okay, let me get this out here though. Okay, so as you can see, there is no dish because this is an element warmer. It shows you the little light on the back. But look at how cute. I mean, come on. It is too cute. I adore it. I already know right where it's going to go in my kitchen because I feel like that's my focal point for, well, we're just always in and out of the kitchen living room. So, this is actually kind of like a faux leather wrap around here. Got the little gold buckle, got the little clover on there. And like I said, this is an element warmer. So I'm not going to plug it in because there's nothing to show you because there's no light to show you. But isn't it super cute? Okay, not only is this adorable, but the scent of the month, man, I made samples and I was like, this is so up my alley. I don't even know what the, oh, okay, I grabbed the right one. I didn't know what the notes were, but it just smells so good. It smells fabulous. Okay, so Shamrock Splash. And it is dive into a happy-go-lucky blend of juicy tangerine, right there, and red strawberry with a touch of jasmine blossom. I'm trying to think if I picked up on the jasmine blossom. Oh, I just smell the tangerine, the strawberry. And if you, oh, okay, maybe I do get more of the jasmine from the bottom. If you don't know, if you're smelling bars, either in our testers, do I have a tester around? I don't have a tester around, dang it. Or if you're smelling a bar and you're like, I don't really smell it, always pop it out and smell the bottom because the oil mixture, the heaviest oils are going to sit at the bottom as they cool. And so you will get a lot different scent if you smell that. And so I always tell my customers, I'm like, take it out, smell the bottom. It's so much different. I love it. And so you get different notes. You get top notes, mid notes, and base notes. This one is fantastic. Fantastic. I actually finally just sent out my smell mail yesterday, so I'm excited for my customers to get to smell this one. I have a feeling that orders are going to roll in for this scent. And if you love it, don't forget to add it to your Scentsy Club. If you don't know what Scentsy Club is, it's kind of like a subscribe and save. It is where you can put any Scentsy consumable products in your club for free. Like it's a free subscription. You're only paying for the product. And if you have over $30 of products in there, you get 10% off. If you have over 60, you get 10% off plus a half off. And the biggest, best perk of the Scentsy Club is that if you put bars in there that are being discontinued, like this one will only be around for 3 months. If you put this in there and it discontinues, they will forever pour it for you as long as you keep it in there. So I have 2 different clubs and I have a whole slew of them because I'm like, I can't be without this scent. So you can set up your own Scentsy Club. If you have questions, I can walk you through it, but it's just, you go to my website, shelbymariewinkle.scentsy.us/club, and you can find out more information on there. Plus I have a video on club on my page, on my channel, if you want more in-depth detail. But you can put like laundry products in there, body products, fragrance flowers, my favorite, and even our air purifier filters. So really fantastic. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap up. Here is it's February. This is perfect for March. Here is February's warmer and scent of the month. So I expect to hear from all of my Irish lovers, even if you're just Irish for a day. Come on with it. It was funny. I was just talking with my cousins and how my great grandfather actually came over from Ireland and he had dropped the O from his name. And so I just love, I'm like, you know what? Heritage, we're going to bring this out. Got to represent. So yeah. Okay. Well, you guys have a wonderful day. And as always, if you have enjoyed this video, learning about product reveals, things like that, subscribe. I appreciate so much. Comment and like. That helps grow my business, and I appreciate it. And you can share it. If you see a product that you know somebody would like, please feel free to share it. And I can't tell you how much it means to me. So you guys take care and have a wonderful day. And I'll bring you more stuff later. Oh, because we got our new catalog coming out. Secrets. Bye, guys.